मुनित्रय प्रार्थना। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायमधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। येन धौता गिरः पुंसां विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारञ्च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ नमः पाणिनिकात्यायनपतञ्जलिभ्यः शब्दविद्या सम्प्रदायप्रवर्तकेभ्यो मुनिभ्यो महद्भ्यो गुरुभ्यः। In this class we will continue the Sashti Samasa Nishedha, 12th rule. Tena cha pujayam. Tena cha ta iti prachayah. Sadharanataya ta iti prachayah kakarah itu bhavati ta iti shishyate. भूतकाले कर्मणि भवति सामान्यतया, किन्तु कदाचित् वर्तमाने काले च भवति। पूजायां क्तेन पूजार्धधातुषु विषये क्तेन तप्रत्ययान्तेन तेभ्यः धातुभ्यः तप्रत्ययान्त शब्देन सह षष्ठी न समस्यते। तप्रत्ययान्त शब्दः यत्र तः इति प्रत्ययः पूजायां विहितः, पूजार्थे विहितः। पूजा मीन्स रेस्पेक्ट, not worship with flowers etc. Respect, esteem, it's all. So तेन षष्ठी न समस्यते, षष्ट्यन्तं सुबन्तं न समस्यते इत्यर्थः। तर्हि what does it refer? It refers a foregoing rule. Kutra, what are the dhatus in puja artha which are to be combined with tak prachayah? We are going to get another sutram in the next pada. That is mati buddhi pujardhebhyascha iti sutram. Mati mana dhatuhu, buddhi, buddha, buddhi means intellectual, pujartha in respect of the meaning of puja, respect, esteem, etc. Etebhyah matsyardhaka dhatubhyah gatyardhaka dhatubhyah pujardha dhatubhyascha taprachayo bhavati vartamana kale iti. We are going to get a rule in the next pada. This pujayam tena, this taprachayah, pujarthe taprachayah refers to that sutra. So these three dhatus only are to be taken. Here we will take one by one these dhatus. Matsyardhakaha, man, man iti dhatu dvayam vartate. Mana jnane iti manyate iti tasya latrupam. We are not going to take that here because that is not in pujartha. Another dhatu is there which has got pujartha also. Mana, manati iti lat prachayah, manarti. Even though that also avabodhanarthe vartate, but we have got a meaning, pujartha meaning also there. Earlier manyate dhatu, we don't have pujartha. So this mana, dhatunam anekarthatvam. So there are so many shades of meaning. So this mana iti dhatu vadigane manati iti latrupam bhavati tasya dhatoho anekardheshu pujarthopi vartate. So that is to be taken now. तस्मात् धातोः तप् प्रत्ययः वर्तमान काले. नेक्स्ट धातु इज बुद्ध्यर्थक धातुः. मति बुद्धि बुध बुध सामान्यतया बुध धातुः अवगमनार्थे भवति, टू अंडरस्टैंड, टू नो. This also has got several meanings. Pujartha is also one of the meanings. So pujarthe gamyamana बुद्ध्यर्थक धातः बुध धातुः तस्मात् तप् प्रत्ययः तेन सह सस्यन्तं न समस्यते. एंड देन पूजार्थ पूजयति इत्यादयः तेभ्यः धातुभ्यः तप् प्रत्ययान्तेन षष्ठी न समस्यते. So because this puja grahanam is puja iti shabda, that word is taken here, pujayam iti taken, that is why we are taking these mati buddhi pujardhebhyascha iti, whatever dhatus are referred in that sutra, they are all in pujartha artha. So those things only we are taking here. Now satkara suchaka dhatunam grahanameva bhavati. Mati, generally it means knowledge. Chintanam, gati, gamanam, but these meanings we are not taking. The meanings, pujartha meanings only we are taking from these dhatus. So satkara suchaka dhatunam mana, buddha, puja ityetesham तदर्थकानां च तस्मिन्नेव अर्थे ये अपरे धातवः भवन्ति तेभ्यः अपि यः तप् प्रत्ययः, that तप् प्रत्ययान्त शब्दः will not combine with सस्यन्त सुबन्तं. We'll take some examples. राज्ञां मतः, Rajnyam matah. Here Matsyardhaka dhatu, mana dhatu, it has been taken in pujarthe. So Rajnyam satkritaha ityarthaha, respected by kings. In olden times, respect by kings only is the most important thing, because the culture is that the kings were patronizing all great persons, panditas, etc., etc. So Rajnyam mataha ityurthe Rajnyam iti sashyantam padam. Mana pratyayat tap pratyayah mataha iti. Te tau dvauapi na samasyete. Rajnyam mataha. In sentence only we have to use it. Rajnyam buddhaha. Here we have to take into account that mataha, buddhaha, vartamana kale tap pratyayah. Most exceptionally, this vartamana kala is used. Generally, it is in bhuta kale only. But here, for this sutra, we are taking vartamana kala artha. Rajnyam, now he is respected by kings. Rajnyam buddhaha. Atrapi buddha dhatoho pujardhaka ardheva etat swikritam. Rajnyam buddhaha, respected, satkrita. Idanim satkarah bhavati tasya ityartha. Vartamana kalarthakam. Rajnyam buddhaha na samasaha. Nrinam jnataha. Atrapi jnadhatoho, not only knowledge meaning is there, but respected also. Generally knowledge it begets respect. So Rajnyam jnataha. Atrapi Rajnyam satkrutaha ityeva arthaha. Rajnyam jnataha adhava nrinam jnataha, respected by persons, by men. Here also no samasa. Rajnyam pujitaha, no samasa. Tari, why this pujayam uttam? That means to preclude other meanings. This pujayam iti matibuddhi pujardhebhyascha, these three types of dhatus we have taken. So any other dhatu pujayam tapratyaya na bhavati. That is, for example, you will take has dhatu. Hase, hasane, laugh. Hasitam iti tapratyayanta shabdaha. Hasitam means bhavardhe tapratyaya. Natu karmanicha, natu bhutakale. Hasitam. Hasitam means hasadhatoho bhavardhe tapratyaya. Hasitam simply means laughter. Bhavardhe. Bhava means the kriyayaha bhavaha. What does the kriya amounts to? The kriya amounts to this hasanam. Yat bhav yad yaha bhavaha bhavati kriyayam saha eva bhavaha. Atra hasadhatoho bhavaha kaha hasanam. So hasitam iti hasanam hasitam dau samanau eva किंतु तत्र हसनम इत्यस्य अनप्रत्ययान्तः हसितम इति तप्रत्ययान्तः. So छात्रस्य हसितम, the students laughter, here that can be a samasa because hasita is not a tapratyaya used in pujarthe. So छात्रस्य हसितम, छात्र हसितम, this can be made into a samasa. Sometimes these nishedhas and these vidhis, it may appear a little incongruous also. But this is vyakaranam vyavaharasritam. Depending upon the usage of the language, everywhere, general usage everywhere, these vyakarana rules are framed. So here, tena cha pujayamiti vyavaharam društva व्यवहारे शब्दानां प्रयोगम इत्यादिकं दृष्ट्वा एतानि सूत्राणि निर्मितानि स्युः. छात्र हसितमिति समासो भवति. Another sutra, अधिकरण वाचिना च, 13th. Here also तेन अनुवर्तते निषेध सूत्रम षष्ठी न इत्यपि अनुवर्तते. अधिकरणवाचिना तप्रत्ययान्तेन शब्देन इति अन्वयः. अधिक